Hi Libra, this is your channel messages for the 16th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Libra, you can't copyright me, okay? I do not mind, Mr. Mohan. Good morning, IIRC. How are you today? I hope you guys are great. So let's just have a message for IIRC before we go into the reading. Half a mouth deck just fall. So what is the message we have for IIRC this morning, IIRC? Let's see what's happening this morning for you. We have the Page of Cups. I'm getting something about a new intern that you have in office today. It's a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. It's someone's first day on the job, okay? Very quiet, submissive gentleman here. But I'm getting this is somebody you need to keep your eye out for, okay? Because this person might actually become somebody very valuable to the business one day. Nevertheless, Libra, this is your channel song. Banana. Okay, no, it's not a dancer. It's not a... I'm gonna set mash up, no. Adi. Libra, and I'm gonna turn it back way and sit down on it. I'm gonna turn and tap it can wine pan it banana. What is it with bananas this morning? Let's go ahead and wait to your reading. Oh, so we're doing a love reading today. So I don't know if somebody, okay, I'm getting something about the size of somebody. Libra, maybe the size of your, or I'm getting your kids trending, Libra. Everybody knows what your dick looks like. This might be of reasons that we may or may not know. Nevertheless, I'm getting that it has a curve as a banana. I don't know what the fuck you're doing here. I don't know who your mom and dad is, but all I can say, Libra, either you thought that your banana would have kept somebody, or I'm getting your banana wasn't enough to keep somebody. It's not about the size, it's about how you use it. And half of them can't even use dick properly anyways. And half of y'all do know how to use that tongue. I'm joking. Let's go ahead and continue reading. What? Wait. Guys, when they're insecure, some of the man them like, yeah man, my dick some. I'm like, who tell you that? Yeah, but look it though, compare. I'm like, are you taking... You ever before, or you know how big or small it is? When you're comparing on the dick size to each other, that's how you know if it's big or small. What? You send boys a picture of your, I swear I just grabbed this up and this was what I saw. You're sending pictures of to your boys. It's for the boys. You told me you wasn't gonna say that, okay? So yeah, me getting unless not compare dicks to each other. I want to know what dick is big and small. Because I hear a guy say when a woman loves you, he makes me happy. When she hates you, you a small dick, right? That's what she'll say to you, right? So I'm getting, who told you that? And why you're insecure about it? Are you taking that up in you? No. So why you say it's small? You're saying if it's not big like a banana, then it's not reputable? That's what you're saying to me? Okay. But who are telling that? That's what you think? You think big dick is what keeps a girl, just like girls think BBLs and breast implants keep a man. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. So I'm getting, you think your girlfriend left you because somebody is bigger than yours? Maybe their heart was bigger. Maybe the bank account is bigger. Maybe she was a gold digger. You ever maybe double in that type of lifestyle? Maybe it just never work out. Maybe she couldn't make you happy. But I'm getting what is being said is something about one man with a big dick. And I won't lie, I have met people in different races and them dick did big and huge. So I am not saying that it is specific to one race, even though it is, but I have met people who I definitely did not expect that. So yeah, So I don't know whose ex left them because of dick argument, or it's because some type of sex argument. You couldn't please somebody. Why would you be insecure about your penis when you have your lips? For why? Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Let's go. Can you go for your ex? Libra. Why imagine how shorty I try to get over, Adija. Move, shorty, move your hand from your John. Then them up in the fire. See them come, wine banana. See them birthday was a couple days ago. See them, I'm so sorry. I missed your birthday. I was having a headache on that day, so I took a day off. See them! Your body good, me have a voice about it. Let us go to your reading. Jesus Christ. Addy, you say you're wicked and lie. You get my cute rider video and you don't call back. Anyways, let's go again. Hey, girl, oh, you're right, body cute. Don't watch a girl, watch yourself. I hope I'm not telling to them that. Telling to them, I saw she ride, body cute to them. Don't watch a girl, watch yourself off my old. Let's go. Let's see what lessons do you need to learn around this breakup. We have a 2 of cups. So I'm getting the lessons you need to learn is listening to each other. You need to learn how to communicate. So I'm getting as soon as you're angry, you walk off. Or the guy walks off. Libra, this could be you. But I'm getting you also want to learn what ended your last relationship so that you can seal that up and go into your next relationship better. Maybe a third party person ended it. Something about another man. Yeah, big dick man. Something about that. Or something about some sex argument ended it. So again, you're going to start talking to somebody again. You send them a message. Either you're going to ask them, why did we break up? Was it really the sex? Or I don't know if you're going to settle down your ego and say to yourself, maybe she never leave me because of sex. Maybe it wasn't because my dick was small or too big or whatever the fuck. Or maybe it wasn't because my dick too big or too small, whatever it is. So I'm getting you're going to send somebody like a 2 a.m. text. Hey, did you really cheat on me? Hey, did you break up with me because of this? I'm getting that's not the reason why. I'm also getting somebody will reply if you message them because the 2 of Cups is open communication to speak on. So what can you do to find peace right now though? I'm getting both of you are thinking about each other or not thinking about reaching out to each other. What can you do to find peace right now? The 8 of Cups. Well, one of y'all is drinking and I want to say it's a man. So I'm getting no peace, just intoxication so that you don't think about all of this breakup. How can you forgive yourself and your ex? The devil card. Yeah. Because this is what happened to Ono. Yeah, accuse them of something. Yeah, so them a cheat, or them a lie, or them a gaslight you. You insecure about your dick size, so you say the girl that she not have sex with you. So you say she a cheat on you. But she not have sex with you because you're not horny, because you're insecure about your dick size. So now, that in your brain I think about. You think about this for 3 days now. You not even notice say you not touch her in 3 days. She thinks say you not touch her in 3 days because you don't want she. Then you think that she is cheating. Why she not touch you in 3 days? And then this is what happens. You make the devil control, you know. In every relationship, the devil will come in. The devil can be a third party person. Maybe a Capricorn come in and say, yeah, you know, so I'm fuck your girl. Yeah, she tell me say you couldn't fuck her. She tell me everything. She tell me everything basically. She tell me say you can't do this, you can't do that. Maybe that's what somebody told you. Me getting them tell you a lie so you could have broke up with you and your girlfriend. Maybe somebody didn't want your girl. Wow, you thought you were the only guy who didn't want her. Wow. You thought that you were the only person interested in her. Wow. That people wouldn't be obsessed over you or this girl so much. I'm gonna lie. What the fuck is wrong with people? I'm not ready for a relationship, you know. Some wanna act like high school relationship. I'm not lie. Some are getting, yeah, how you can forgive your ex. Either your ex was a devil, so you can't forgive them because everything they say is a lie and they'll never ever claim up to it. Or you need to forgive yourself because the devil was controlling you because you drink too much. I'm getting a drink, you get horny, and before you get up to touch your girlfriend, now you remember say, why are you insecure about your dick size? That's what I want to know. Are you watching porn? Is it because somebody exes? I don't know what, I don't know. You think somebody ex have a big dick? Okay, yeah, they might have been big dick with evilness. They might be big dick and used to lick the fuck out of them. You think a big dick is all what keep a girl? You think a BBL and a big ass will keep a man? You think big breasts will keep a man? You think a slim waist and a body will keep a man? Why you insecure about your dick? And if you're insecure about your dick, you just talk to her about it. How she gonna know you insecure about your dick? That's like you gonna know she insecure about her breast size. How you gonna know that? So you made the devil win, and the devil may have been alcohol. When will you be ready for your next relationship? The Page of Swords. Me getting you want to talk back to them now. Maybe you see where you went wrong or you give up the alcohol. Be getting you watching someone online account, okay? So I don't know when you're ready. I feel like you're just waiting to. Me getting is not that you want to get into a relationship. You're looking at this person. And yeah, try to see where did it go wrong. Me getting every time it went wrong, alcohol was in the mix in a somebody system. And how can you prepare for your next relationship? We have the High Priestess, by being honest, because somebody know you. You tell somebody, no, you fuck up, you had this, you cheated on me, you're messaging, you're taking naked pictures. The High Priestess is like, bruh, you know say you're insecure. And yeah, use the devil, yeah, try to control me, yeah, try to accuse me of shit what me know. The fuck? The High Priestess even know you're watching her. Hi, you okay? I don't bite. I don't bite. I don't. I'm not vampiric either. If you think that's how I get my youthfulness, that's not how I got it. I'm not into that either. I'm not into vampiric things or blood or nothing like that. High Priestess. She know what happened. Maybe that's why she's so open to talk back to you. Because she know you are the problem. You convince her say she do something wrong. She left you for it with a bigger dick. You think the High Priestess give a fuck about big dick? They want to know, have you went through your dark night of the soul yet? You go through your pilgrimage yet? No, I can't do it yet, sir. Because you're going to draw me to blood clot hell in your midlife crisis while I'm there with you. Because I'm getting, when you were having the problems, the High Priestess, I tell you what to do to stop it and you're not listening to her. You're too busy thinking she obsessed over another nigga's dick. Maybe because you were obsessing over another woman's pussy. Maybe you were the cheater. Let us. We have witch doctor. Yeah, somebody mash up your blood clot relationship and I talk about say, yeah, she fucked me. I don't know what you say. Maybe you see something about. I don't know what you say, bro. I don't know what you saw. But anything you say, bro, you're very insecure, bro. That's all I can say. You couldn't survive in a Hollywood. I am the game. We got cheating. Is this cheating? I think, yeah, it's cheating. I don't know if you can see it. C-H-E, yeah, cheating. So somebody that cheats, or them accuse you of cheating. I know you can't really see it. Them accuse you of cheating. Nobody was cheating. The High Priestess, you think she ever fuck about sex? And this she deal with every day. She's a High Priestess. No phones allowed. Yeah, did she have phone? Was she up in her phone? Are you saying you saw things in her phone? I don't know what you say. Maybe it's a dick picture in her phone. I don't know what you saw in her phone. What all I can say is, the High Priestess is not usually wrong. The Hierophant isn't either. So I don't know what was this argument about, this big dick argument. You left man because of big dick. Somebody couldn't fuck you the right way. Blah, some sex argument. Not like that, never did there. Me getting somebody was insecure or them accuse you. And them are the fucking devil. You were the Hierophant. A committable person that was willing to open and talk about anybody's sins, just like how the pastor, you could have go to the pastor in a confession and say, High Priestess, forgive me for I have committed sin. That's all you had to do. It's not that easy. I don't know why I'm scared of the devil so much. Maybe I'm scared to talk about the devil, kind of talking about the devil to other devils. Maybe I need to talk to the High Priestess about the devil or the Hierophant. Believe me, there's a lot of things I've never seen in this universe, but there's a lot of things I have seen people go through and people talk about. I could never judge you in a space where you're trying to vent your demonic ways or your demonic past. And I'm not to do with me. That are your birth chart and your life path. So how could I take that personal? I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.